covering all of the Battle Royale and all of the duel maps. So this is going to be a long series. We're going to be covering duel maps gradually, though, not all at one time. So starting off, we're going to be going into Battle Royale mode.
I guess we should point out there's only 3 of us here this time, since this is the end of the N64 trilogy.
Yes.
We thought it was fitting to end with just the 3 of us.
Just the 3 of us.
Totally. Maybe for Mario Party 4 onward we might try to get another player involved for 4, but we're going to leave that up to you guys. And see what you think. Do you want the original 3 plus the AI, or do you want us to mix it up with a 4th player like we do with Portion Street?
Alright, we'll see. Maybe, maybe not. I'm going to be playing this good old Mookie.
Well, well, I guess it's Mario Party and all the Too bad! Waluigi time!
I would have talked him out of it, but he did himself. So, for the AI, we have 2 characters named Waluigi and Piggy. I don't know if we should jump in here. We should start it off with, I don't know, Wario. Scary concept. I think it's like the pizza.
Mario.
We want Wario. John is irrelevant. And as always, it's your player card. Yep. That. And look at that scout position while with you guys. Well, it's so these 2 columns is like, you know, they're all the same animation.
It's just like, his shoulders aren't even doing anything. It's just because he has a shoulders. He has a hanger. A hanger stuck in his shirt, so he can't move his arm.
That's great. I like that. We're going to be doing Chili Waters. The first board is actually not the most chili board. But Margaret, you said it comes to number.
That's kind of cool.
It is. Maybe we'll do one board like that.
99 turns.
Yeah. God. 99 bottles of turns on the wall. 10 bottles of turns.
No. The worst part would be you would have to sing that song per turn, and you would just take so long.
I would get so tired of my voice. Oh my god.
Because you would have to do 99 balls of turns on the wall, 99 balls of turns, 99 balls of turn on the wall, 99 balls of turns. Yoshi, hurry up so I can pick the next card. It would take like 5 minutes for like burst.
Oh my god. Chili Waters, you're here. Welcome to the legendary Chili Waters in the snowy, freezing land. You're battling to become the superstar. I thought we're battling to become the Millennium Star.
No, he's the money.
But I want to be him. I want to bust that fat pig.
Number 1 wants to win. Good job.
Number 1. Proton 1. The fact that we're doing so many Mexican characters all around, then you just stand up and all that, you Proton 1. He says, yes, I will be playing the Gloria definitely thinks this.
I apparently did not show up for this video.
Your brain didn't show up for this video.
Well, I didn't practice this game either, so it's going to be fun.
So in true Runaway Guys fashion, I would like to explain Chili Waters. The center of the board is the gimmick. There is ice here. On the edge of the ice, you can potentially slip and fall and not move any there. However, if there are 2 people on the ice at a time, it will shatter while the others go through this phase together. So those people can be on the ice. Wario only controls you to get on the ice, but I would rather go through. So I think Wario's going to drop that car in the bag, and if he doesn't, we can just attack him that way. Just how I think of it!
Wow, like that is fast moving on the board.
It is. I like that.
Did you up a speed on it, or?
No. This is the default.
Oh,
I think this is actually normal, not fast. Yeah, hey. Fast. Yeah, you're fast.
Alright, well, I'm accepting of it.
Yeah, I like it. Speed over! Great start, Waluigi. Keep that high roller going. You have to put money because you have to go at the bank. And we're running up an ice cream grip. Ooh, I don't like this game.
I feel weird because I don't even know what's going on.
Try to avoid being hit by the spike Koopa Koopa shell, not spiny shell, that slides around the frozen playing field. Move and jump. The more the Koopa shell moves, the faster it bounces, so watch out, the last player remaining. Now, it's going to become apparent why I don't like this game once it starts up. No, actually. Just the dash. The fact that it falls down, it doesn't enter from the side, and it can land on your head very almost big without giving you time to react. I don't like this game for that very reason. Oh god! It almost did again!
It's a very short-lived warning.
It's very short.
Oh, yeah, and there's the third one.
Wow!
Wow, that just cleaned us out. Like,
This just came right across all three of them.
it just went around in a circle.
So, first thing you basically goes to the AI. I know it's the hard to do Mario 33, so...
This is the AI sound.
What? That's funny. But still, we got blue space regardless of how it's fun. I don't want to buy anything because I don't have enough money. Well, I do have enough money, but not enough to get money. Oh! I was saying about not having enough money.
2 turns in, he's already down to toys.
He was holding back.
The oh-noise and the yo-noise. And I just got distracted. Well, I'm not Oreo on Oreo.
Wario is not on.
Alright, well, Mario. You get 7.
Where you going? Where you going? Where you
What are you
going?
playing? Well, I'm selling something, alright.
Where are you selling it? I'm interested and have lots of money.
I'm selling biscottis.
Probably retard.
You're selling what?
Biscottis.
Biscuits?
Yeah.
That was the pronounce.
I'm not buying that.
We're getting up that thing all knocking around on the playing field. You look around that stage without tires, and that's the one that drop the plane. Watching tires, drop away too. Hopefully you're okay with me explaining the video games and drop tires. I appreciate it, because the last time I played a game that keeps me. So, it's been a while. Whoa, Mario! Please don't start breaking away now.
Yeah.
Oh! Come on! Where is that? Oh!
Man.
Oh, damn it!
Oh!
Jumped off of your own accord.
I was trying to avoid you. Apparently I did my job.
Right, because this is when they were trying to find a good voice for Waluigi, because he hadn't been locked in place yet.
Yeah, this is I call this the egotistical Mario Party because all of them say good choice when they're selected, and all of them say I'm the best when they win anything.
Oh.